Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter. In this video, we will use algebraic techniques to evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared minus 6x and the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared plus 6x plus 10 all over x squared plus 7x plus 12. We begin by evaluating the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared minus 6x. We begin by factoring x squared. This gives the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared times 1 minus 6 over x. As x grows large, the first factor also grows large, while the second factor approaches a constant. Therefore, our limit is infinity. Next, we evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared plus 6x plus 10 all over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Factoring in x squared from the numerator and denominator then gives the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared times 1 plus 6 over x plus 10 over x squared all over x squared times 1 plus 7 over x plus 12 over x squared. Simplifying gives the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 plus 6 over x plus 10 over x squared all over 1 plus 7 over x plus 12 over x squared. As x grows large, both the numerator and denominator approach 1. Therefore, our limit is 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.